While the exact origin of the kilt is hotly debated, with some people claiming its birthplace is in Ireland, while others firmly believe its birthplace is in Scotland, while yet others argue that the name kilt is likely from Danish. Giagwit istachana agus falche go brennen sie YouTube channel agus waya isalamdam agus inu I will be discussing the 3 contradicting origin points of the kilt. The Danish name origin point does not claim that the kilt is inherently Norse, but what it does claim is that the word kilt originates from Danish, specifically from this word here on screen. While an interesting point, there is some genuine interest and even possibly truth behind this argument. See, the word kilt likely does not in fact come from any Celtic language, and moreover, the word itself does not actually exist for the descriptive name of kilt in Scottish Gaelic. In Scottish Gaelic, the word for kilt is féileamór. In Irish, I am unaware of any word that references or directly means kilt. Is noch me, I am Irish, so obviously I lean very heavily towards the Irish origin point. But let's take a non-biased approach to this. As I previously mentioned, I am currently unaware of any word that means in any capacity kilt in Irish as Gaeilge. So the likelihood that the kilt originates from Publica na Héireann, or for that matter any part of Ireland, is incredibly unlikely. But let's look at the argument for the Irish origin point. The Irish origin point argues that the kilt is not only from Ireland, but just like the Gaelic languages, the kilt is not inherently Irish only. It is, in fact, a broader Gaelic cultural phenomenon that exists within the Celtic cultural sphere. That is the claim. And regardless of my personal biases on this matter, we can all agree that, yes, the Gaelic languages and the kilt are both inherently all around a Gaelic cultural phenomenon within the broader Celtic cultural sphere. The Scottish origin point is the strongest point of origin and, in fact, is the most likely. The reason why is because kilts have been massively prevalent culturally in Scotland, especially in the Scottish Highlands, for hundreds of years, dating back to the early modern period in, I believe, the late 15th to early 16th centuries. With that information, along with the fact that Scottish Gaelic possesses several words for kilt, including the previously mentioned féileamór, meaning great kilt, féile which means small kilt, or something along the lines of that, along with the fact that kilts have been a massively culturally prevalent thing in Scottish culture, especially in the Highlands, for hundreds and hundreds of years, I can say with some decent confidence that the kilt is in fact a Scottish invention.